Hi everyone, and welcome back to today's More Report on Thursday, the 22nd of October, with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. It's ECB day, and the euro is actually on the slide. It's started to sort of pull lower. It's testing that key sort of 113 support area, near-term support. This is testing that key level. The low the other day, 1304, really close to that now, that move comes ahead of the ECB today. Bit of caution going on. Generally speaking, the fact that market is sort of expecting Draghi to probably talk the euro lower and sort of mention potential extension of quantitative easing in the eurozone. So that sort of put the euro under a little bit of pressure today. And what we are seeing is this sort of continued slide and into this sort of band of support around 113 area, and that's where we sort of currently reside now. Until you see, basically my medium-term outlook on euro is still pretty positive actually, and I think this is still playing out a bit of a corrective move within the uptrend. Across sort of the last few months, you've got this series of higher lows in place. You've got momentum indicators continuing to sort of rise, certainly on the RSI. The medium-term outlook is pretty positive, and the key pivot level at 111 figure continues to come in, and I think that there's going to be a sort of a support area in 112 to 113, at which point you're going to see the next higher low. So I think that's what this near-term sort of correction is doing. The volatility around today's announcement is probably going to be quite large, you'd imagine, because the press conference usually tends to find a fair bit of volatility for the euro, so just watch out for that. But I still think that there's going to be sort of a new higher low, sort of somewhere in this sort of 112 to 113 area, for the bulls to work off and then push back towards the 1465 sort of high from the band, and that is my expectation. How it plays out remains to be seen, but as I said, the volatility on this meeting could be quite significant, so I'd say stick close to your positions and just be mindful of that. There could be some sharp moves at sort of 130, between 130 and 230, but generally the moves tend to happen during his press conference statement, which is around about 15 minutes worth. So at the beginning of the press conference, so just watch out for that time. But in front of that, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.